Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn the additive helix features of a FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have activated the part design workbench. I will create a new file. This additive helix feature in FreeCAD is a tool to create a solid by sweeping a selected sketch or a 2D object along the helix path. So this tool is useful to create a spring or anything that has the helical path. So we will do a simple exercise to understand it. So here I will create a body, and on my origin plane, and on this plane I will select this exact plane and create a sketch, and of my origin plane. And now I create a rectangle, and then I will give the dimension. Let's see, I give it approximate 20 vertical, sorry 20 horizontal and 20 vertical. Vertical I keep the 10, and now we will give one dimension from the origin. Let's see, give it a 50 mm or make it 80, change to 60. Okay, that looks appropriate. Now we will come out of the sketch and on our origin plane. Now we will select the sketch and click on the additive helix. So you can see that along our profile this path has been created, pitch and height. If I switch to front view, then you have the multiple option like pitch, height and angle. You can also go with the pitch turn angle, height turns angle, or height turns growth. So I will keep the pitch. So pitch is basically it is shown here from this point to this point and this point to this point. So B is a profile which we had to draw, and A is a vertical axis, and C is a solid helix which we have created. Let's change the value. Let's say height to the 300 mm. So you can see that height has been changed. Pitch, let's increase the pitch from 24 to something 40. So you can see that pitch has been changed, and I will say OK, and I will off my origin plane. So you can see that this is how we can modify the value. We will go to the base sketch, and instead of this small rectangle, let's convert it into the spring. So I will create a circle and give the diameter of 10 mm. This is my spring wire dia, and now I will give one dimension from the origin. Let's give 70 and close it. So you can see that it has been turned into the spring. Let's go to the edit helix feature. Let's change the pitch from 40 to 20. So you can see that it is a fully parametric, and how it has been modified. Let's change the dia from 70 to 45. Click on OK. So you can see that it has been updated. So this additive helix feature is a very useful to create a helical spring. So this is all about this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.